Good morning, guys. So it is Monday. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Make that subscribe button that is red into gray or white. Click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. So yes, it is Monday, guys, and it's currently I think 5:39 or somewhere there. I'm trying to find something for breakfast. I normally at this time I would be making lunch as well as trying to find something for breakfast if I can. If not, I just wait until mom wakes up and is cooking for everybody, then I'll eat that before I leave. But I can actually find something today, so I'm gonna show you guys what I found. So I bought this in Kellogg's the other day. It's a sliced cooked ham thingy. So I'm defrosting it or whatever, and then I'm gonna cook it up and eat it with some bread. So yeah, and I just filled my water bottle to carry to school. So yes, I bring that water bottle to school because it's big and it holds a lot of water, which I need throughout the day. And since I hardly drink, like I'm not really buy juice that often, I need to have that so I keep hydrated. So yes, so today I'm not gonna bring any lunch because I might carry a snack for after, like I'm going on the way, because we're supposed to be going to Brownstown today. I need to go to the bank to get some business done, so we're gonna be going there today. So we're going to Brownstown today. So yes, because I'll be leaving school like from about near 12 o'clock there about, I'm not gonna have lunch, but I want to carry like a snack. So I'm gonna find a snack and carry, so like when I'm on the way I can actually eat something. So yeah. So yes, guys, if you have not realized, this is going to be a Monday in my life kind of vlog. Yes, a Monday in my life. I've started a vlog like this last 2 weeks ago, I think. About 2 weeks ago. Or probably about last week. And those clips came up to like less than 5 minutes or about 5 minutes. And I'm like, what were you vlogging, girl? I didn't vlog a lot at all. And like the clips I vlogged weren't, it's like it was a lot of clips, but the clips weren't long. They were like seconds long. I'm like, they didn't come up to anything, and I was so bad. It was so bad. So I don't know if you guys still want to see those. I don't know, but this is going to be a Monday in my life vlog. So yeah, bye guys. I'll get my snack and put them in my bag along with my water. So yeah. Alright, so since I'm not currently lunch plan, I need this to go in here, but the laptop is in there and it's so heavy. Oh my gosh, so heavy. So many stuff. Let me fix this. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. It's not good, but yeah. Anyways, guys, I decided to read this book because I'm spending too much time on the phone. So I normally read like on the phone, but I want to read this book because my mom has it, so I'm gonna read it. So I'm going to try the laptop today because I need to do some work, so that's why I wanted to carry it. But man, it's heavy. It's so heavy. I'm wondering if I can do it on the, I'm gonna try doing it on the tablet because this is too heavy right now. Alright, so I've decided to not carry the laptop because it's really heavy. Oh my god, it's dying. So I was gonna send something to this so I can actually do it on the tablet. So I'm gonna send something off this. to the tablet. So like literally the same time I finished sending the email and it reached the phone, the internet stopped working. Anyways, oh my god, I'm gonna try to see if I can get some out of that and get some breakfast. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get something to eat and then go shower. So this is the clothes I'm wearing. It's now 6:12. I'm gonna shower and get ready. So yeah. Alright guys, so I decided to come into the bathroom so I can use the full length mirror. So I'm ready. And this is the outfit that I'm wearing. So I'm wearing this blouse. It actually attached to this, so it's not a jacket. My red skirt, black shoes, and silver jewelry. So yes guys, I'll see you guys on the way to school or at school. Bye. I was gonna do something extra with my hair, but then my hair is no longer that black and the extensions are black like jet black, so they're not blending in and I need time to sit and fix them for them to blend in the way I want it to blend in. So this is what we're going with today, nothing extra. Alright guys, so I'm actually leaving out now to go to school, so I'll see you guys when I get there. I just had a snack, but I forgot to show you guys, so yeah. Just waiting to leave. There's not supposed to leave because class. Yes, guys, this is my desk, by the way. Not much, but it's my desk. Alright guys, good morning. It is actually the next day, but I did not end the vlog, so I'm gonna end it here. I think I don't even know what I vlogged yesterday, but I'm hoping there's enough footage to make a vlog for tomorrow, because today's Tuesday and I want to upload this video Wednesday. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I'm gonna see today, and if not, I'm gonna add some of today to it. But yes, thanks guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not as yet. Subscribe, click the notification bell so you're notified whenever I make a video. Like this video, share, comment something down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.